Mastering supports in OrcaSlicer can be a daunting process. I'm gonna show you the problem which I'm having on this 3D file. You can see here that these pointy things, in this case teeth, are really badly supported. This is gonna fail in like 99% of the times, and we need to fix this. So in the support tab, we're gonna go at a 20-degree angle for supports. These settings here are some which I usually use, but I'm gonna focus on these pointy things. We're gonna go into the support painting. Also, pro tip, it is always the best to first orient your model for the easiest painting before you go into the support painting mode. You want to go for a sphere tool, deselect on overhangs only, and in this case I want to choose pen size of 2. Why? You can see here that when I paint this tip of the teeth, you can see how it is painted. It is painted top bottom part actually, but from this perspective it is the top part. We want to repeat this for all other tip of this model. And that's basically it. Now we can see a difference, and voila, we are getting now something that it's gonna work. You can see here that the printer gonna make a hole basically, and supports are going around these parts. When the printer is printing, it's gonna go, of course, from bottom to the top. I really rarely get a problem when I set up things like this. Of course, there are a few spots here when I want to make some corrections, but regarding this part, which is problematic, it is a really nice tip. Let's do the print and see how it goes.
Ta-da! It is done. My pocket supports did a really good job. Everything looks amazing. Let's remove it.
This is what I was talking you about. The pocket supports created enough of supporting area around the tips of these teeth, and we see that print went really well. And here it is. This is what you want to do with pocket supports. You want to wiggle and whoop, voila. End result is superb. Even the top part looks really astonishing with 0.16 layer height, and this pointy part is really well made. And trust me, in majority of cases, if you print it on the default settings, you will get tips broken, and even this part catastrophically bad, because this is where it begins and going up. We see here a bit of layer lines, but nothing major. A really nice model, a really nice finish, and I'm especially proud of the bottom part. A minimal scarring with PETG filament. To learn more things, and I have a lot more to share, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, see ya.